You looking for a gaming channel that's different than all the rest? I've got it right here. Greg, Panorite.
Oh, I didn't know you could mime.
Greg, we all know I went to clown school. Wink. So what box opening do we have today? Oh, Q Theory. Interesting. It looks like a gaming channel. Someone was obviously watching me last night. Ooh, this one came with an attitude. Why can't I just game? Huh. That one feels a little personal. I'd say this is the hook for the channel. So this isn't a gaming news or commentary channel. It's a case files of modern gaming. Modern gaming versus old gaming. Whoa! Apparently this box comes with a full character outfit, but I look pretty fly. Okay, first piece is the old TV. This is the evidence monitor. The TV is where the case files get shown. The second piece, the camera. This tells you how the channel is filmed, not shiny gaming news. It's 90s investigation tape, close-ups, zoom-ins, evidence on screen, like someone is actually building a case. And then the old phone. The old phone is the nostalgia. Old tech, old games, old rules. Because Q Theory is about the shift from buy the game, play the game, lose the game, to modern gaming with stores, timers, ranks, battle passes, bundles, and systems designed to keep you coming back. And don't forget that we don't even get the discs anymore. So there you have it. That's the base of the channel. So think Gravity Falls and Inspector Gadget or Dick Tracy.
I miss when losing just meant you were bad.
Right? Simple times. Hurtful, but simple. Subscribe to open the next box. Oh, and we're not done yet. So your channel can look into things like matchmaking, ranked mode, microtransactions, battle passes where you pay for it, then you race the timer to unlock what you've already paid for, and one more game. We all said that, right?
You said that last night.
Clive, you know last night was for field research. Anyway, what's in the box? Oh, there it is, the patent. Now we found the beef.
You got beef with me?
I ain't got no beef with you. I've told you, Q Theory investigates all the weird little things happening behind modern games, but I haven't actually shown you the part that makes this channel interesting. It's the patents. So Greg, let's log into Canva and open the case files. Because this is the part I don't think a lot of players know. There are actual patents dealing with things like matchmaking, player behavior, difficulty, engagement, retention, and monetization. What did they actually build? What did they file? And what are these systems meant to do? That's where Q Theory lives. Because when systems can be designed around how people play, what they buy, whether they stay, and what might bring them back, we're not just talking about gameplay anymore. We're talking about the machinery surrounding the game. And this is where Q Theory gets big. One episode might investigate a Call of Duty patent. Another might take an Apex matchmaking complaint and ask, what can we actually verify? Then you've got rank modes, store rotations, battle passes, retention mechanics, engagement systems, difficulty, and player profiling. And once you know what kind of systems exist, you know what kind of questions to ask. Q Theory opens the case files. And that is Q Theory. That's the spark, the big question, the reason somebody clicks. But that's not the whole show. Because what I'm showing you here is the idea. The kit is where I build the full-on actual show. The character world, the episode structure, recurring bits, case file format, visual style, filming notes, title ideas, monetization help, future investigations. All the little pieces that make it feel like an actual series instead of one really cool video about a patent. And no, I am not dumping the entire World Bible onto YouTube for free.
Susan gotta eat.
Me too, Susan, me too. And if you actually do build this, credit Channel in the Box to become an official Channel in the Box creator. And now, let the countdown begin. How long until this channel becomes a real boy? Still the spark. Remix the idea. Make it weird.